Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to block someone on Snapchat. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up the Snapchat and log in with your account. So what I'm going to do after you log in with your account, you're going to be able right here to see the interface of the app, right? So I'm going to just go ahead right here and log in. It says your account is currently being reactivated. Please try again later. So I'm going to just go ahead and add my password right here, log in with your account right here, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able right here to see this is your account. Go ahead and click on your basically the the chats at the bottom left. And what I'm gonna do, let's say for example I want to block the second person. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold their name, and then you're gonna see a pop-up window. Click manage friendship, and then you're gonna be able right here to see a block button. Click on the block, and then you double click the block button to confirm that you want to block that person. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.